Okay, I'm going to teach you how to navigate from Clever into OneNote and then how to use your OneNote notebook. Okay, the first thing you do is you go to the district page, not my classroom page, but the district page, and you click on Office 365. Then I want to point out this Install Office. You want to make sure that you install Office on every computer or laptop you will have access to, because this is hundreds of dollars worth of free software that TUSD has bought for you. The stuff that's on the cloud that you make, all of your work that you make while you're a student in TUSD, that will all disappear once you graduate. So you'll need to save those files eventually to the Office you've installed in your computer. All right, next step, you click on OneNote. And then I'm going to click on period 2. If you click on the actual class, it'll take you to your notebook. If you click underneath it, it'll take you to a different site where it's located. Just click on the notebook. All right, what yours looks like is it'll have your name here. It will have collaboration space, content library, and then your name. So let's go into Ella's. When you click on your name, all of your subcategories, all of your tabs for your notebook pop up. So you'll notice there's a journal tab, homework, practice, handouts, vocab, bell work, class notes, and class slideshow. All right, the slideshow, just to let you know, I've officially linked the slideshow here also, so you don't have to go to my website for the slideshow. It's easy to get to here. Okay, so now I want to show you something. So I'll go in mine. I won't type in Ella's right now. So I'm in my work in progress page tab. So what I want to do is I want to add a page to this tab. So I'm going to click on plus page. Now I'm going to give it a title, free write homework. And you don't always have to think of your title. When it underlines in red, it wants you to do something. So you might as well use what your resource offers you. If it underlines something in red, green, whatever, it's trying to give you a message and it's going to help you become a better writer. Don't ignore those things. All right, so let's say I've assigned you a free write and you want to keep it in your work in progress until you can work on it. But you have writer's block. So one thing that you can do when you have writer's block is just stream of consciousness, just talk about it. So let's say your free write homework is about the best food you ever ate. All right, this is how you can do an easy first draft. You click on this microphone. This is dictate. The best food I ever ate was probably the osso buco at Gusto, which is a restaurant up the street. This is a famous Italian dish by an old Tucson family that has had restaurants here since I was little. And osso buco is a lamb dish, but it's made like pot roast, and it has carrots, and it has like really rich, it has lamb shank, it has everything that is really savory and just delicious, and it just comes right off the bone. All right, so I'm going to press stop. When I press the microphone again, it will stop dictating. So what you're going to notice is this is just the words that came out of your mouth. If you want to have punctuation, you have to say the punctuation. So let me try here. The best food I ever ate was probably the osso buco at Gusto, comma, which is a restaurant up the street, period. All right, you see how that worked? So Gusto, it didn't spell it right. So you will have to go back and say, no, that's not how it's spelled. But when you say the comma, it puts a comma there. When you say the period, it puts a comma there. If you've ever done speech to text, text to speech, you know how this works. All right, now let's say I decided not to give you that homework assignment after all. What you do is you right click on that page and you click delete page. Permanently delete. Okay, so that's how you use all of your tabs. The great thing about this is I will usually place handouts in the handout section for you. I will usually place practice templates in the handouts for you. If you want to find the syllabus is in the handouts section. All right, if you want to find class notes that I gave on the slideshow, I will usually put them, the exact slideshow notes, into this section. All right, if you click on class notebook, it will give you options for sharing your pages and your sections. Other than that, it's the same as usual with Microsoft Word. Okay, so that's it.